What's up, YouTube? Just got back from the gun store with a brown Glock box. That's not something you see every day. But of course, we all know by now, this is the Glock 19X. Comes with night sights that are metal. However, I will be replacing those. Comes with one 17-round magazine, as well as two 19-round magazines. The base plate just makes it 19-round capacity. It still says 17 on the back. Got your straps. I like the grip as is. I think it fits really nice. No problems there. A little Glock tool. It's been a while since I bought a Glock. Your normal swag, some Glock safety information, and that's about it for the box. But yeah, the 19X, ever since I found out about it, I wanted it. To me, this is a warfighter gun, and it's definitely worth its weight, I guess, worth its salt, whatever you want to say. It did go toe to toe with in the MHS trials. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this gun, you know. It's not any kind of defect or anything that made it lose. So to me, the price is worth it. I got this on a Blue Label program at my store, so I was able to get this for a little bit less than normal cost. So has a Picatinny rail here. I'll probably use my Streamlight TLR on there. Now I was able to get a fun stick, so it was like 10% off. You know, I figured why not. You know, this will be really handy at the range when I do my first 100 rounds through it. So really cool there. I do have an old Pro Mag. Now it does fit, and it does come out pretty well. So I don't know. People were saying they were having problems with these not coming out of the Glock 19X. So this is definitely Magpul. I mean, it's been a while since I used this thing. I don't think I've ever used it, actually. It's a PMag GL9 PMag 17. No problems. So that's kind of cool. I got more than enough magazines now for my Glock 19X. I just want to do this quick video. I do have a holster on the way. It's being made, like I said, with the light. I've told them which light I had, so that's being uploaded. Can't really think of anything else to say other than, you know, this gun is really nice for its purpose, which is war fighting, you know, end of the world. My upgrade, night vision here, tritium for the Glock. This is the orange. So right there, these are gonna go on there. And also I want the Apex, Overwatch Precision attack trigger, which is completely sold out, so I'm just gonna have to wait for it to get in stock. You know, it's not too big of a problem. But I mean, this trigger is nice too, but I just love the Overwatch trigger. So that's about it for the upgrades. I don't want to tinker with it too much. I know it has this plastic guide rod in here. I might take that out. We'll see. I mean, there's always so many aftermarket things for Glock, but we'll see. I don't want to take this apart. I know Glocks are kind of frustrating to take apart, but anyway. There it is, the Glock 19X. It is available with the Blue Label program for those who qualify. And some of these aftermarket magazines will work. I went with OEM for my fun stick. I didn't want to you know, tempt fate and get the magazine that doesn't work with this, but this one seems to work, so not a problem at all. This little lanyard loop, don't really mind it. I mean, it could come off, so that's neither here nor there. Just one thing, I did shoot this before I bought it, so I know what I was getting into. I didn't just, you know, blindly go and buy this. And it's shot so well, you know. I don't know. I think it's just this grip. It seats in your hands, and it just gives you that full control that the 19X, I'm sorry, that the 19 maybe doesn't have. And I tried the 19 in the store, and the Gen 5 at least, I did not like those cuts at the bottom. They were kind of digging into my hand. And, you know, you can say whatever, you know, you just gotta suck it up or whatever, but, you know, if I have this option, I'm going to go with this. I'm not really going to use this for carry, although it could be a winter gun as well. But you know, I have other options for carry. But this is something I wanted as part of, you know, definitely warfighting. Shit hits the fan. You know, I would want a Glock 19. And this is my first Glock 19. So I wanted to jump into the Glock 19 market, and this just seemed right for me. It seemed like the right fit. So I try and buy my guns with a purpose, even though my collection's getting a little bit large. Some of the purpose is kind of getting blurred out, but you know, I'm coming to kind of the end of my collection. I don't want to keep collecting forever. You know, I've amassed, you know, handguns in the double digits now. And you know, there is a lot of eye candy out there, and I do my research, and I come to my conclusions, and I try and find bargains. You know, most of my guns I've gotten really good deals on. So, and this one, like I said, was about, you know, based on Cabela's pricing, this was about $40 less. So, you know, take it for what it's worth. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments and subscribe, and have a great day.